Good morning, Marians. This is our second class. We did in the first class, chapter 1, that was all about computer memory. We did various terms in that class. Now let us have the recap of the same. First, we did what is memory, a part of computer where different programs and data are stored. It is of two types. First is primary memory, second is secondary memory. Primary memory is fitted inside the computer. Further, it can be divided into two parts. First is RAM and second is ROM. RAM stands for random access memory. ROM stands for read-only memory. RAM is a temporary memory. It is very fast. Information stored in RAM can be used very fast. Let us have one example. Suppose you opened a one program in the system, and before shutting down, again you use the same program, and you will see the program that you have opened earlier, it will be opened very fast as compared to the earlier time. Okay, so it will start a program in a few seconds, so it is very fast as comparison to the ROM. Now let us come on the ROM. ROM means read only memory. It is permanent memory. It is slow as compared to the RAM, as I told you. It stores necessary information to start the computer. All this we did in the last class. Now let us do secondary memory. Secondary memory, you see that capacity of the primary memory is very less and temporary. And suppose if the user want to save more information, so secondary memory is very helpful. It stores data permanently. Moreover, it can store large information, large data, it can be stored with the help of the secondary memory. And it is also known as storage device. We are having various devices. First is hard disk, second DVD, third pen drive, and fourth is Blu-ray disc. Let us study it one by one. First of all is hard disk. Hard disk is fitted inside the CPU. The storage capacity of a hard disk is very high, more than 1 terabytes. Hard disk can store letters, accounts, songs, films, and many other information. You can see here, this is the hard disk. Next is DVD. A DVD is very popular medium to store information. DVD is very useful to store important files, photos, and films. A normal DVD can store data up to 4.7 GB. A DVD can be taken anywhere very easily. You can see here it is portable. You can take it from one place to another. The information on a normal DVD cannot be erased or modified. So it is known as DVD-ROM. For example, suppose you have purchased, sometimes you purchased a game from the market that will come in the DVD, and you cannot erase that data which is stored in the DVD. So it is known as DVD-ROM, means read only memory. You can't make any change in this information. And the last is there should be a DVD drive fixed in the CPU to use a DVD. Only then you will be able to access this DVD. Now the third is storage device, pen drive. This is the most famous device to store information and to transfer it from one computer to another. With the help of this pen drive, you can store information from one place to another. A pen drive can store much more information than a normal DVD. Its storage capacity is 32 GB. As you can see, comparatively it is 4.7 GB. It is 32 GB. More storage capacity it is providing. Next is the information stored in a pen drive can be erased or modified. Here you have seen The information you can't erase, but here you can erase the information, you can modify it. A pen drive can be used directly attaching it with the CPU. There is no need of any extra DVD, like in DVD you need this drive, DVD drive, but here no extra drive is required. Simply you can attach it to the CPU. And the last one is Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc are like DVDs to store data. Here you can see it is looking just like a DVD. The storage capacity of a Blu-ray disc is much more than a DVD. The latest BTXL Blu-ray disc can store 128 GB of data. We need Blu-ray disc player to use it. Same here. This player you will be needing, and then only you will be able to use it. Blu-ray disc has not become common due to its high cost. Cost is very high, so this is not commonly used by the people. This was all about chapter 1. Okay girls, have a nice day.